In the previous video, we set up your Gumroad account and customize your shop. Now in this episode, we're going to complete the process by listing your thumbnail pack as a digital product so you can finally start selling. From your Gumroad dashboard, hover your cursor over the left-hand panel and click on Products. Then click the button that says New Product to start creating your listing. You'll now be prompted to choose what type of product you're selling. Go ahead and enter the name of your product, select Digital Product as the type, and then scroll down to set your price. Once that's done, go back to the top and click Next. You'll now be in the product details section. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. This is where you need to add your product description, upload a product cover that will appear when someone clicks your listing, and of course, add your thumbnail, which will serve as the main preview while people are scrolling. Right next to that, you can customize your call to action button, which is what your customers will click if they want to purchase your product. You'll also need to add a short summary describing what your thumbnail pack is about. There's also an additional details section, which is optional, but you can include extra information if you want to make your listing more informative. Then once everything is complete, scroll back up and click Save and Continue. Now it's time to upload your actual product file. Upload the PDF button file we created in the previous episode. Once the upload is complete, click Publish and Continue and wait a few seconds for your digital product to go live. After that, you can copy your product link and start promoting it by pasting it into the captions of your posts on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or any other social media you plan to use for marketing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned how to list and publish your thumbnail pack on Gumroad and make it available for people to buy. If you want to learn how to properly market your digital product and actually get sales, we made an entire playlist on how to sell digital products online. And if you want to skip straight to marketing, check out the last episodes in that playlist, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.